Hello everyone, welcome to Airstream DFW. You guys, I'm here with the all new Airstream Midnight Flamingo Edition. This thing is more blacked out than a Texas 2021 electrical grid, okay? You guys are about to see some really cool new features. Some things, options and things like that are gonna come standard on this, but this is the cool factor. Please, if you are not cool, just scroll past this video. This trailer is meant for people who love that blacked out look that we're seeing in all different kinds of car brands, and Airstream has brought it to us. So right behind me, you're gonna see we've got the blacked out tires. We've got this beautiful blacked out midline trim. So on a traditional Airstream, you're gonna have a chrome midline trim here. So we've got this nice blacked out midline trim, but come to the front, you're gonna see we've got the Flying Cloud blacked out logo here. That's unique to this trailer. Now, not only is this so cool looking, can you imagine when you're driving this down the road, people are like, oh my God, what is that? We've seen some customers like do this to their trailers before. It always looks so cool when it's pulling into service here, but not only is this got that X factor, I guess you want to say, but it's also like functional. So this is helping protect your trailer even more. So your stainless steel stone guards here now have this protective coating. And if you look close, it's like textured. So it's almost like that powdered coating that you're seeing on like our Interstate 19X, on the base camp, on its propane tank, kind of that powdered coating. So not only here on the stone guards, but also on the propane tanks. So 30-pound propane tanks in here, and then you've got this protective coating. If you've had an Airstream before and you've ever gotten a little ding or something on this propane tank, you know how much it can cost to replace them. So this is just a little more peace of mind here. So we've got it on the other side as well. Behind the propane tank, just like on any others, there's going to be your battery box. Now, this trailer is set up for some boondocking. You've got 200 amp hours battery, 300 watts of solar. That stuff is coming standard with this Midnight Edition, okay? So when you order this, you can always, no matter what model you get from us and how we order them to keep them in stock, we're ordering that upgraded lithium and solar package straight from the factory. This package is just already included in there, so it's coming standard when you upgrade to that Midnight package. Now, you can also see we've got this new awning material on your Zip-D awning. It's like a little bit darker gray. I'm sure Zach's gonna get a video of the big awning pulled out, and you'll see it has like a little flamingo on it, so really giving tribute to that Flamingo Airstream kind of vibe that everybody knows and loves. Now, here's all your hookups. You've got your city water, black tank flush, outdoor shower with hot and cold water, smart plug, and I think I've shown this a couple times, but if you didn't know, everything is pre-wired for Starlink now, so you've got an Ethernet cable there and one inside as well. Then, one of the most special things, we've got cords, okay. One of the most special things is that you're gonna get this hatch with this edition. So everybody loves the hatch. Before, we've only seen it on, if OGs remember the Eddie Bauer edition. Tradewind is the newest edition that has the hatch as an option. Flying Cloud, International, you could get this as an upgrade, but now we're seeing like you have to have it. So completely open. You'll also have a window when it's closed, but you've got this to just sit at your table, hang out, look out, and also a screen here to keep out the buggies. And then down underneath, y'all start seeing this Airstream decorative step here, decorative sticker. Now it's all blacked out for this edition, so love that. Looks so, so cool. But wait until y'all see the inside of this trailer. You're gonna absolutely love it. So right before you walk in the door, you've got this, I hate to say cute because this is the cool trailer, a flamingo icon all blacked out there. And then check out the seating. So a normal 27 foot is what I have here. Now you can add this Midnight package onto a 25 foot or a 27 foot. It's not hard to get people to twist their arms up into a 27 foot. So much more storage for only 300 pounds more. Really, guys, if you can't tow a 27 foot, you can't tow a 25 foot. So we want you to really look at, don't limit yourself to that 25. You get so much more storage on a 27. So back to the upgrades on this one. This new material, it's like this charcoal gray. It's actually not a ultra leather like a normal Flying Cloud. It's like a cotton. It's super soft. Feels really durable. I would describe it as like indoor outdoor fabric, so something that's going to do great with pets and kids. And then across the back, you'll see we've got these blackout curtains. So instead of the traditional white, you've got this really nice blackout look that goes all the way around here on this panoramic window and at the front by the bed. Now, everybody really loved this Klipsch system that they upgraded into the Classic. Now you're seeing it here on this package, and this is going to act for your Bluetooth radio, your AM/FM radio, and also your TV as well, kind of like an immersive surround sound system. So you've got 2 speakers here in the front, 2 in the back as well. Now in the kitchen, refrigerator cabinets, you'll see we've got these blacked out handles on all the drawers, the faucets, the light fixtures, even your cutting board is blacked out, you guys. So it looks really cool. We've been trying to decide who will love this trailer. Like, who is the customer that's gonna love all this blacked out stuff? We have some guesses, but in the comments, you guys tell me, like, who do you think is gonna be the person that loves this trailer, like with the blacked out curtains and blacked out lighting and faucets and fixtures? So I'm really excited to see what you guys think. We have been talking about who we think. I just want to hear what you guys think. So still a big, nice refrigerator. Let me open this up so y'all can actually see the size you get. Freezer at the top, plenty of room for ice creams and chicken nuggets. Down here, drinks, sodas, things like that. And then behind me, you've got a pantry. You'll notice no microwave here because we've got the convection microwave. I think you can choose either way to order it if you prefer that LP oven and microwave, but the convection oven kind of tends to be what everybody's going for right now. Then we've got a nice roomy closet with some hanging space and some shelf space up top. You of course have a light so you can see what you're doing in here and see your clothes. And then the shower is going to be kind of what you guys already expect if you've watched any of our other walkthroughs or been in the showroom to see. Now the bathroom also has some of these blackout features. You can see even the hinge on the door is blacked out. So it makes for a very like cohesive look. I like it a lot. As you come to the bathroom, even the faucet and the towel rack in here feel very modern and upgraded. So some storage in there, mirror in there, a lot to go. Then I've got a twin bed. Twin bed versus queen bed, you know, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think we tend to sell a few more twin beds than queen beds, but it's up to you. Remember, in a 27 foot, if you did this a queen, your bed would run this way. So your head's up here, your feet down here, north to south. If you do decide to go down to a 25 foot, the bed's gonna run this way, east to west. So keep that in mind. Even though you can walk around that bed, the twin bed just gives you some space here. You can actually stand up and get dressed, have some room, put a pet bed in between, and then up underneath the bed on a twin, you're gonna have some additional storage on both sides. So 2 cabinets on both sides for extra blankets, shoes, whatever you need. Now, the Midnight Flamingo edition did introduce us new bedding. I'm actually surprised. You guys do know that all Airstreams come with all their bedding, right? So whether you go from Flying Cloud to International to Globetrotter, each model has its own type of bedding that comes included with your trailer. So a lot of people don't know that when they come in the showroom. So this is going to be an upgrade here. It actually kind of reminds me of camping when I was a kid. Like, it has that REI feel, or kind of like a cot, throwback to like how a cot looks or feels. I like it a lot. Same thing, like I said, blackout curtains that go all the way across back here, and then your Klipsch surround sound speakers back here as well. And there is a TV back here in the bedroom, so you'll be able to use that on that surround sound. So I finally have it in the showroom. I'm glad if y'all subscribed to see this. I know I had been dropping hints it was coming. I'm still expecting another brand new trailer that you guys have not seen yet. So if you haven't, subscribe below, and please, please, please leave your comments. I want to know what y'all think about this new Midnight Flamingo edition. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.